Hi, in this video, let me show you how to set up Wi-Fi direct on your Epson EcoTank ET-2803. So I will enable, and I'll also show you how to connect another device, could be a smartphone, a computer, a tablet, an iPad, doesn't matter, to your computer to use the Wi-Fi direct feature and print. So step number one, you're going to press the home button, and from this main menu, you're going to press the right arrow a few times. Until you get to Wi-Fi setup. Press OK. Now press the right side arrow again to see Wi-Fi direct. Press OK. Again OK. Again. It will enable this feature. Usually in under 30 seconds, you're going to see the next screen appearing. Then you're going to click on the left side arrow. Going to click on the left side arrow again and select other OS devices, no matter what you're trying to connect. Okay, and then press OK when you see other OS devices. Go down using the down arrow, and here you're going to see the Wi-Fi direct name of this printer. And if you go down again, you're going to see the password. This password is only for this printer. So your printer will have a different password. Don't copy this one. At this point, what it's left to do is to go on your device you wish to use. As I said, could be anything. And you need to go into the Wi-Fi settings of that specific device. In the Wi-Fi settings, this is the list of all the devices that are currently around my iPad. I'll see the Epson ET-2800 series. I'll tap on it. And now it's time to type the password that is on the screen. I will join the network. Wait a few seconds. Oops, I have typed the incorrect password. I'll go ahead and correct my mistake. Okay, I'll click. And now it should connect to my printer. Here we go. Next step is to open any files you wish to print. Could be a picture, could be a web page. I'll go on the web and open something I wish to print. Okay, so I have opened a PDF file, and on an iPad, what you need to do once you want to print something is to tap these three dots. And now if you're on an iPhone or iPad, you need to find this logo. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. If you're on Android, on the top right corner, you should see three dots, and by clicking the three dots, you should have the print option. And if you're on a PC or Mac, simply right-click once your cursor is on the page, the PDF file or the image you wish to print. So in my case, I'll click here, and the print option will appear. I'll tap. I'll select my printer. And now there's a few different things we can change. The number of copies, if you want to print in black and white color. If you're printing something important like a picture or an artwork and you want the best quality to come out of your printer, you're going to press on media and quality, and over here where you see print quality, instead of normal, select best. Now, this will take more time to print, and it's not very useful. If you're printing, let's say, a PDF document with some text and some graphics, you won't notice much difference. But for a picture, you should select best. And here, I simply have to tap on the blue button to start printing. The printer will receive my command, and in around 15 seconds, the print should come out. And here is the result. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink bottles for your ET-2803, some photo papers or some plain paper from Amazon. Every time you purchase through my links, I get a very small commission, and it helps my channel. Thank you in advance, and I wish you a beautiful day.